and we are at our latest project.
We are.
Come and have a little look inside. So here we are in the kitchen of house 12.
Yes.
And this used to be a little bit of an old cottage.
Yeah, really old.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we've modernised it to make it a contemporary cottage, brought in a lot of warmth, organics, naturals.
Very earthy. It's kind of got a really earthy vibe.
Yeah, so a bit different to what we've done before. And now we're going to take you on a bit of a tour of the bathroom spaces.
Come on down and I'll show you the main bathroom. So, in here, when we were designing this, the focus point of this whole entire bathroom was this curved, beautiful ceiling. And we did that because we wanted this space to feel really organic, really soft. Even if you look here, you look at the walls and you can kind of see they're so textural. This is mineral flocks and it has movement. There's lots of movement through the walls, which is absolutely beautiful. We've then kind of curved all this organic, beautiful creaminess into a really soft tile. And the way that we've laid this tile is a little bit different to what we usually would do. And that's because we've got a really thick grout line in between, but it makes a massive difference with the end product. Products in here, okay. So we've got the organic, gorgeous, beautiful bath, solid surface. It feels amazing. We didn't want it to be all shiny and new. This is perfect for this space. We've got the living bronze tapware, and I think that if we didn't do it in this color, we wouldn't have created that exact style that we were after. It's old, it's textural, it will age, it's beautiful, it's the most divine color. I mean, have a go at that, it's like an art piece in itself. The vanity was a really important piece that we chose in this bathroom and in the design of it. We wanted to bring in that kind of earthiness into this bathroom, and this chestnut vanity did exactly that. It's got so much movement, it looks beautiful. Erin flips out over the storage in here. I mean, have a go at it, it's huge. There is so much, I could stick a kid in there, honestly, it's huge. Then we've got the mirror. I mean, curved goodness. Hello, it fits perfectly with the curves here. And check this out, storage is amazing.
I think that both the bathrooms certainly have that beautiful, organic, earthy, natural feel, but they still have a tad of luxury to them. They're really beautiful spaces. The finish is just beautiful, so it certainly looks earthy and organic, and then the shower head and the tapware to match. Now the vanities that we used, they are matching. They are probably the favourite ones we've used in my mind from the Reece range. You've got the mirror that you can use in the bedroom because it's wide open. You've got the beautiful Luxaflex curtain to come across there. Yeah, you've got your vanity, your toilet, your shower, perfect. We love the fabulous rimless toilet. It is super hygienic and looks great at the same time.
So Reece really does have everything you'd want for your kitchen or bathroom. So head in store or online today to check out their great range.